I think live stream
It's growing.
is going, and for the company like us, it's very hard to change from the traditional market way to the new trend way.
So guys, welcome. We are inside another manufacturer, and this manufacturer is specialized in pearls findings, which is a special manufacturer in my opinion. So without wasting any time, let's take a look inside this manufacturer. What's your name?
My name is Suki.
Suki. How many years have you been doing this jewelry manufacturing?
We have been in jewelry factory for more than 35 years. And for me, myself, I have been in jewelry field for maybe around 15 years. But actually, I'm not that old. I just graduated early.
Okay, yeah. And you're specialized in pearls finding, right?
Yes. When my uncle founded the company in the year of the 1970s, we have a pearl farm in our hometown, and in maybe around 85, we start to make our own factory that professionally in making pearl fountain.
Okay.
Yeah, like pearl fitting, mounting, something like that.
Pearl mountings.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for inviting us. Can you show us around your factory?
Yes.
Okay.
This way. Are you sure we don't need to go down the wall?
No need. Don't worry.
And make some prepare. Yeah, you can take some in, have a look. This is streamer.
Oh, this is
for mainland China.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't sell anywhere on Alibaba, no?
Winfer sell in.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I sell.
You too.
Yeah, but you sell only in the Chinese market.
Yeah, Chinese market. And here is the online.
Oh, okay. This
live
is
stream.
Live stream. TikTok.
Okay. Not TikTok is China TikTok, not overall TikTok.
Okay.
And the WeChat channel.
You do this every day, every day.
Yeah, every day,
live?
24 hours.
24 hours.
Yes.
Oh, this is a 24 hours TikTok. That's quite crazy. Eh? Hi, ni hao.
Yeah. Your hometown have much more pearl, right? Tahiti pearl.
Yeah,
your family farm culture the Tahiti pearl, and then you set in your mounting.
Yes. That's what I do. But you also do some freshwater pearls.
Mainly it's freshwater pearl.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So if I want Tahiti pearl, I buy from you.
Yeah, you buy from me. Yeah, thank you. This is your stock, huh? Okay. Wow.
Very less actually.
This is how they store their pearls. Yeah. Maybe I should learn from you. I should buy like some shelf like that, right?
Put the pearl on product.
Yeah, put the products.
Put the product, then maybe you buy other kinds.
Now I have many products. I
Yeah,
start to
then
have really.
here you have small here,
Yeah.
a boss, something like this.
This is also freshwater pearl.
Yeah, this is freshwater pearl.
This is like golden pearls, golden South Sea.
Yeah, you are professional. Yes, we put our wax, the mold.
Oh, okay.
Mold.
So
Mold
this
and
is
put
how.
the wax.
Okay, can I see?
Yes.
So this is you store them, and then when I want,
Yeah, this is this is a ring, and then we will put in a machine, injection it out.
Okay. So this is you store them. You store. You can use again and again.
Yes, I can use again and again.
Oh.
All our so many model.
Yeah.
Around 30,000
Wow.
per mounting. Yeah, this is a 30 years accumulation.
Oh, okay.
Here also some pearl stalks.
Pearl stalks.
Yeah.
This is all freshwater pearls.
Yeah.
Like Edison pearls. How about the pearl business? Is it good? Good business?
Honestly, we are seldom selling a pearl directly to customer. We mainly is manufacture the pearl mounting. Pearl market, but I think the pearl market is on the trend of up.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're always up, never down. yeah, Holly, she knows. Always up.
Here is my uncle's office, but today he's in the live stream room, not here right now.
This is the big boss room.
Will you have a tea together?
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure.
打个招呼 say hello.
Hello. 你好. After that, we just had some great Chinese short style tea, and I finally met the boss, but I didn't, record it. So I asked him how he came up with this idea of, just focusing on pearls findings, and he told me after trading pearls for a while, it just naturally occurred. And I also asked him if he has some, advice for me and or for us about, doing business. And he just told me that, we have to create some unique designs in order to have a proper margin and not competing on price with other sellers. A wise advice for someone who is 60 years old, or I don't even know, right? But he certainly have been in this game for a long time. Injecting mold. Also the
Repair.
okay.
Not call repairs, we call beautify.
Okay. Is it hard? This is hard to it's a hard skill.
People need few years to trade.
Okay.
If you use much more strength or less strength, the product surface looks out different. Okay. And you have to be patient and careful.
Okay.
Control your strengths.
Maybe this lady has been doing for many years.
I think at least 10 years.
Wow. That's good.
Much more strength. The surface, it will be like, how to speak in English? Let me check. Sorry.
You will break, right? Uneven. Oh, okay.
Uneven. Okay.
Okay, not smooth.
We have to control well the strength. If the much more strength and the less strength make the surface of the metal uneven. So the key point is you have to be control your strength and be careful and concentrate on the product.
Okay.
Here is a quality checking.
Okay, this is
Quality checking. We're checking the metal, checking the corner part and the stone by the magnifier.
Okay.
Professional job. Here is the file.
The file, CAD file designer.
So whenever you have a new design or you have a new pearl arrival, we will after the designer draw out the sketch by hand,
Yes.
and then this man will change it to the CAD file. By
So how do we do? Do we send you our design? You can send our design?
Yeah. After we got your design, we will change it to the CAD file.
And is there MOQ?
It's at least 100.
100.
Yeah,
Okay.
per style.
100 is for silver, right?
100 for silver.
Okay.
And this is the polishing department.
Oh, okay.
Polishing.
So only polish? It's only polishing?
Polishing. And here is the smith. Smith department.
Smith department, okay.
Smith. Setting the stone.
Stone setting. Oh, so you set all the stone by hand?
Yeah, hand setting. That's why
really?
making the gold product, we need to hand setting. So the pawn will be, the stone will be more stronger. It never lose down.
Okay.
Yeah, it can last for 20 years, 30 years. That's the gold product setting diamond different from silver product with cubic zirconia. If a silver product, mainly the zirconia was by wet setting. Yeah, and this is by hand setting, much more stronger.
Okay.
The pawn, even the pawn, we need to check it by detail. The pawn is stronger or not, and the stone well fixed or not. And after they finish, we still have a 2 QC department to check them. Stamp your logo.
Ah, so this is the laser machine.
Your lover's name or maybe something like this.
This is about 50% on this manufacturing. Is it only China? Is it only
The order?
Yeah.
All 99% is over with as per art. Dubai.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Dubai and Thailand, Vietnam, Germany, Italy, France. Why I said that you should do live stream?
Yeah.
Because I feel live stream
It's growing.
is going, and for the company like us, it's very hard to change from the traditional market way to the new trend way, because behind us is too much pressure. We cannot change our working way very quickly, very soon. But we have to change. So, but we would prefer that our customer could change, and we prefer to support our customer to change from the traditional to online.
Okay.
Yeah, because they don't need to bearing so much pressure. You know, if like the labor like this, expensive one.
Yeah.
In the live stream, we need to sell.
Yeah, but how much? How your last team? How?
Around-
What is the price that sell good?
Around 150 to 200 RMB. I think 200 RMB, more or less, something like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I know.
And we will
And what the Chinese like? What color they like?
Tahiti color.
No, but there's many color Tahiti. Black.
Everyone know peacock color.
Peacock. Okay. Peacock. Not this one, not gray.
Gray are also popular.
Really?
Yeah,
Gray is very popular.
Gray popular.
Gray, no, but it's different. There's gray, there's silver. Which one? Maybe silver.
I think it's gray.
Okay, gray.
Light gray.
How about this? Is it popular?
This.
Not so. Okay. This is
Yeah, like
circle.
this, like this, like
this
this.
is circle.
Yeah, like this circle.
Circle. Okay. Okay, I can try. I bring one here, one bag. You try.
This we buy from others as well. Why not buy from you? But our quantity is small. Hope that you don't mind.
So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like my video so I can get monetized. I really wanted to share this factory because I have a lot of respect for them. They have spent some decades only focusing on one and unique products, and I think they didn't get enough credit or the result they deserved. It's probably because they are still using the traditional way of selling. As you've seen in the video, they don't sell on any platforms except those Chinese live stream platforms. So guys, if you have the chance to sell on Whatnot, you should start right away. And also for me, I feel very confident purchasing with this manufacturer, or a manufacturer that produce a unique product, because I know that you cannot find these products anywhere else, so we can get a little bit more margin. But anyway guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.